Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another What $100 Buys You video, where we go to some of our favorite stores, spend $100 and see what we got for it. About a week and a half ago, I was on Instagram and I was just seeing a lot of pictures of people in activewear, mostly doing yoga poses. I do yoga. That is my main exercise. And I have to tell you, a lot of the time I do it in my pajamas. So I thought I would explore some active wear from a particular website that I saw a whole lot of hashtags for. That website is, and I'm very excited about this box, it's ELLIE.com. What happened? Whoa. Dark. Light. Anyway, I guess I can't show you the box. This website is a subscription type where you pay a certain amount of money and you get 3 or 5 items depending on how much. I did not go that route. I am afraid of commitment, and subscriptions mean commitment to me. So what I did is I went on a part of the website called ELLIE Exclusives, which in my opinion was more fun because I got to pick out individual pieces and I was able to get 3 somewhat matching sets. So let's take a look at those now. Back it up. All right, let's see if you are allowed to see the box from there. There it is. I'm not gonna pour this stuff out. I'm gonna be civil. More shiny things. Oh, I'm far. First, I'm going to show you the little ensemble that I was most excited about because it is very unlikely for me to choose something like that. First of all, I like the pants to go all the way down to at least, you know, the ankle, and these do not. No. They are capris, clam diggers, cropped. That's it. Anyway, this goes with, well, doesn't exactly go with. I just thought it would be nice to pair these two together because, you know, there's orange and orange. There's no way of doing the little quick change, so. All right, I tried to pick a little bit less of a low-waisted pant this time. This does not show you that, but hopefully the other pants will. There's still some tummy showing, but I have pants that are, oh, there's my underwear, never mind. I have pants that are all the way down to here. Every single thing that I bought today is size medium, and everything in the ELLIE exclusives is on sale. These pants were on sale for, I believe, $22, the top, $20. And speaking of the top, it has pads in it. I don't like pads in my bathing suits or my fitness wear. Okay, whoa. And there's the back. Anyway, there's outfit 1. Next we have basic black and gray. I wanted these pants because they were really fun on the side. Kind of like that dress from Fashion Nova I got not too long ago with, you know, the Play-Doh Fun Factory on the side. I have to say, a lot of these brands that come from ELLIE, they're not ELLIE brand. They are brands that I've seen in department stores and places like TJ Maxx and Marshalls. This is Marika. Anyway, these black pants, which I'm thinking are higher waisted and go all the way down, I bought to go with this fun gray top. There's the back. It's all strappy. Let's go give that a whirl. I'm going to mix it up and go this way. All right, higher waisted. I like that. Again, with the pads. You know what this reminds me of? If you ever watch like Botched or any sort of plastic surgery show where they take breast implants out of this teeny little hole that they make, and out comes this bulbous mass. This kind of reminds me of that. So I'm taking out my implants right now. So there's the back, cute, high-waisted. What brand is that? Yeah, we already know that brand. These two are the same brand. Isn't that fancy? Here is the design on the side. It actually curves around here to show a little bit in the front. And yeah, that's it. So far, so good. Feel a little naked, but it's all right. Okay, lastly, now this is very coordinated because the colors had the same name. And if I had some glasses, I would tell you what those were. Ombre, blue ombre. They both said that. Doesn't look ombre to me, but whatever. Again, some leggings with a little fun factory at the bottom, just a little. And those are Balance collection as well. Oh, did I tell you how much? Okay, these pants were either 30 or 25 and the top 20. So these pants with this top, very matchy. Let's see if they're the same brand. Zobha. No, they're not, yet they match. Okay, I gotta tell you that fitness wear, yoga wear, whatever, it's all very tight. And I know that's how it's supposed to be, but while I'm struggling to get this stuff on, I feel like I'm fitting into a sausage casing. It's like a second skin. Okay, bye. This top was especially difficult to get on. Get out! Implant? Yeah, lots of stuff attached. Anyway, this top is unusual for me because it's higher in the neck area. I usually don't like the, not coming out more toward the pit area, but it's cute. You can kind of see through the little mesh panel, but we won't talk about that. Anyway, not as high as the other ones because my belly button comes out if I do that. So I won't do that. The straps are cute. It's strappier in the back. And there's that matching color. It's cute. I like it. Go away, belly button. Go away, box. There's the bottom. Fancy. So that's it. That is all three somewhat coordinating outfits. Okay, here I come. All right, ELLIE.com. I'm keeping everything. Yeah, I don't see why not. I really do need activewear. That's what it's called, active. And I think that this stuff really was a good deal. For those of you doing math out there, I gave you the sale price of each item, but there was an additional percentage off at the end, which made the total around $100. So I will put a link down below. It's just gonna say ELLIE.com. I get nothing for you buying stuff, ELLIE. But for now, that's it on this video of what $100 buys you at ELLIE. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.